Why is it that some women want all the time? They never get satisfied. And I don't know, is it me or is Kartia Velino? Kartia Velino. Guys, I'm back. You like my new hair? Oh my God. Okay. Guys, if this is your first time, give me a thumbs up and also click on that red button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell and also share the video. So guys, today we are going to be talking about celibate. You know, so not too long ago, I did a video on this channel and then I talked about how some women are still married and they're not getting, you know what I mean? They're not getting it very often. But now, as time goes, and now so many people, so many women are coming up to complain or to share their opinion how they are not getting the satisfaction from their husband. And someone sent me a video today that I'll be sharing with you guys. So watch the video with open mind.
I got an inbox message saying, Mama, please check my message. So I decided to check the message, and it was a young lady telling me that she's fed up with her marriage, she's tired, her husband is not satisfying her. Matter of fact, that the man doesn't last up to 5 minutes. And I decided to call her, you know, because sometimes some of these things you need to set things straight, especially for older women like us, you know, when the younger ones reach out to you. And it made me think, and I felt, okay, why can't I address this? You know, so this is what I'm trying to do. Now, I'm all for sexual satisfaction between a man and a woman. I mean, everybody should be happy. Everybody should be satisfied. Everybody should go home feeling fly, you know. However, we need to look at the reasons why we're no more having sexual satisfactions in today and why it's becoming an issue. Actually, me, I think say this issue don't pass, you know, this 1 minute man, 2 minute man. Me, I think say we don't pass them. We don't, you know, but even like say, some people just keep quiet, and when they think don't too much, they go come out, come begin talking. Now, romance without finance equals to annoyance. When a man no get money, it go there hard make that man get passion, get emotion, get feeling. When a man has money, a man will be so happy because money they like blood. When things they work well, they like say they pump blood inside that person. So you go say that man go there so happy that the man will have all the joy, all the happiness. He'll be very passionate, very affectionate, very emotional, his libido will rise. In fact, if he was doing 3-4 minutes, he would exceed it because he's happy. Why? Because people say, money, Bible said money answereth all things. Money is a defense. But you can't expect a man in these hard times, in these difficult moments he has too many things to think. Either probably is owing somebody, is having issues with the director in the office, his market is on the high, he's not coming, he has problems here and there, he's owing people, he's expecting a phone call, upsetting businesses. Too much issues can make a man lose romance and passion. You don't expect a man who doesn't have money, who is struggling to last 10 minutes. I mean, I don't see that happening. So I'm just going to, even for women, as a man no get money, you like you know, say when a man get money, now that time a woman save that money where that man get will even increase your own blood. You would enjoy what the man they do. But when a man no get money, you too, you not happy. So money and is important. When a man is struggling, he doesn't know whether he's coming or going. It's at a lot. In the think house rent, in the think how to fix your motor, in the think how to pay children's school fees, in the think how to pay debt, in the think how to fly you abroad, in the think how to buy you this, buy you that. Especially for some of us women who are very cantankerous, who always is give me, give me, give me, give me. How do you expect that man to function romantically? It's not possible. However, men, it's important that you know that the women need to be satisfied. A man that satisfies his woman is the best man on the planet. And you need to talk about these things, because I think one of the greatest problems we seem to have is that we don't talk about it. You need to sit down and look at it. It's one of the issues of life. It's ruining lives and relationships. Talk about it. Tell your wife what the issue is. Discuss the problems with her. Make her see with you. Make her understand that, look, you're... Tell your wife what the issue is. Discuss the problems with her. Make her see with you. Make her understand that, look, you're not in the best frame of mind, because it's a mind thing. So that she will not start thinking that you're seeing some other person, or maybe you have lost interest, or romance is flying out of the window. That is why she is your companion. You need to talk. And women, like to come within the 5 minutes. Even if you come that time, go. Wait is safe. In this world where things hard, everything is scattering. And by the way, let me explain this. Science has proven that 5 minutes is normal for sex. 7 minutes is a little over normal. 13 minutes is abnormal. So please, why don't you find a way to create more satisfaction? If now you say for someone, anything one I won't do, just do. But I beg, because I've noticed that a lot of young men, he dropped and died. He fainted. He slumped. 20-something-year-old boy, 30-something-year-old boy, 40-something-year-old men. We are losing our men because they are on aphrodisiac. They are on sex enhancement drugs. Some are taking tramadol, some are on weed, some are taking all manners of combined service concoctions and mixtures just because he wants to satisfy. In the process, he dies. Who loses? The mother. Like as I born 5 children now, God forbid, 5 boys. So make we know the force this man to go overboard. Because I never see person where receive award though for sexual prowess. This thing not be www.sex wrestling championship. I've never seen people who have won awards or received so much money for winning the contest. So I've seen people who ended up in the mortuary. I've seen people who died. I've seen fathers lose their sons. I've seen mothers lose their sons. I've seen wives lose their husbands. I've seen children lose their fathers because the man is taking sex enhancers and aphrodisiacs just to satisfy. You need to stop it. Use that energy. Go and get your life together. Women are big. May we help these men. May we know they harder. In our one co harder. In our fight, it will kill you in watch. Harder. Walking out. Harder. Yeah, we cardiac arrest. Harder. Walk what odogu batian harder. Get gonna harder than ya. I beg. Make we take them easy. They know they win an award. I'll conclude with saying, guys, it's important that you help your woman to come. Start with foreplay. There are so many things to do. Make her not go on the talk and me. Go and Google it. How to satisfy your woman. Start with those things: kissing, hugging, touching, foreplay. You know now. There are so many things now. We go fit hella pass so that when they go do the 5 minutes, you go now orgasm. Babes, I beg, if not don't they drink something, more than they drink, more than they take this man harder. Try and come at that time that the man is coming. Try and come at that time. To come at that time. Why not they kill our children for us? I beg. Harder. It's not satisfying me. Let's learn to enjoy what we have. Love is about contentment. It's about the feelings. It's about the emotion. It's about the intimacy. It's about the satisfaction. It's about the joy of togetherness, the joy of companionship. It's about the joy of knowing that person is here for me forever. You can be in the arms of the one you love without sex, and it will be the most beautiful experience you ever have. You can, let's understand what love is. And let's not conclude that sex is love. Sex is just a part of love. Sex can function without love, but love is everything. My name is CJ Mama, and I'll see you again. God bless you.
Leave your thoughts and comments and let us see what you think about that, because really and truly what this sister is saying is exactly what I said, almost what I said in the other video, but I want to hear it from another person. Why? So guys, after watching this video, what do you guys think? Do you think that men are not doing their job, their bedroom job, the way they're supposed to do it? Or do you think that women are just simply Oliver Twist? If you grow up in Nigeria and in some part of Africa, you must have read the book Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist never, he's always wanting for more. So women, I don't know. So guys, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let's take the conversation going. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for being here. I love you guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Kartia Velino. See you guys. Bye.